Wow, that was a great tour.
Look at that.
So, this is your shop.
And visitor center.
Mm-hmm.
We have all our products here, and I also present and sell here products from the area, like the olive oil and honey and jams that my mom makes.
Your mom making the jam,
and this is olives from one of the moshav.
Really fresh, I'm sure. Amazing.
Yeah. And I didn't speak about my husband.
I was noticing these. They're beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this, cutting boards, right? Mostly?
all
Or
cutting
for
boards,
cheese,
cheese,
bread.
whatever.
Beautiful. Oh, this chair, and he made this chair?
Everything.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Also built all the shopping. We're having about 10 types of cheese. Most of them are hard cheese or semi-hard.
And I see you have wine.
The wine is from not far from Revivim. It's called Rota. It's also a farm.
Okay.
Nice.
So you're getting a lot of people through here. Like you're getting people that are coming and, you know, traveling around Israel and coming down here and seeing things. And, you know, what's the reaction, Israel? Like,
They are amazed from this place because, you know, in their imagination, Israel is very dangerous place. So they're coming here and they're really love it.
It's something unexpected.
Yeah.
So.
Just yesterday I had an Italian group. They were eating here lunch, and I told them the story of the family and the farm, and they were said that they've never seen something like that. It was a very big compliment for me.
Good. Yeah, that's so.
Yeah.
It's great. You know, I'm so glad to come and see this too, because this is, to me, this is Israel. This is Israel. That is Israel, but it's so great. Really, it's all Israel. So, thank you very much, Nahum Mayo. Really, it was really great. Nice to meet you, and I'm really glad we came down. And we're going to take off and go to our next place.
Okay.
Thanks.
So have a good trip.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye.